The coronavirus spreads primarily from person to person and not easily from a contaminated surface. While you can still get the virus from touching a contaminated surface, experts say you're much more likely to get COVID-19 from being too close to others or not wearing a mask. New experiments show the virus could live on cardboard for 24 hours and on plastic or metal surfaces for up to 3 days. But the virus typically degrades within hours when there is no host.
I think the timing of this information is especially pertinent because as we look at different things starting to open, there is, appropriately so, this strong focus on businesses and establishments practicing good disinfecting techniques. They're wiping down surfaces, they're keeping things clean. And that's important, but I think it's important for the community to know that although disinfecting is important, that's not a primary mode of transfer.
Dr. Potoff says physical distancing is the most important thing and reminds everyone that even if you are not experiencing symptoms, you could be carrying the virus and spreading the disease even just by talking to others.
Republicans in the state legislature want Governor Evers to fix problems with the state's unemployment insurance office. Amy Reed is live from the Department of Workforce Development to explain what they want to see done. Amy?
It's not that the Evers administration hasn't made changes to the department. They have. But from what lawmakers are hearing from their constituents, some don't think it's enough.
It started off with, I think people were patient, but now it's got to the point with serious frustration. And even I've had constituents calling in tears because, hey, they have to pay their bills. They have to feed their kids.
Representative John Nygren said his office is getting hundreds of calls a week from people sick of picking up the phone.
This is the number one, underline, capitalize, the exclamation point. This is by far the number one issue we hear from constituents.
Now he and his office are trying to get the governor to fix it, sending news release after news release and tweet after tweet.
I've been a little bit more engaged and heated on this over the last few days because what do I tell my constituents? You know, they're sick of excuses. They want a response. They want answers. And as their representative, that's my job to fight for them.
Evers' team told us the governor and DWD are committed to working to get the people the benefits they've earned as quickly as possible. But training the hundreds they've hired or moved takes time. On top of more people, the unemployment office has expanded call hours by a few hours. Nygren believes more can be done, like making the call centers 24/7. Democrats have been critical of Nygren's critiques, citing the dozens of changes Republicans made to the system when they had full control of government. Democratic Senator Dave Hansen said this pandemic has exposed a system unable to keep up, but that Republicans built obstacles. To deny their role in the pain their changes are now causing thousands of Wisconsin workers is not only dishonest, but it is part of their willful effort to undermine Governor Evers and people's faith in their government. Nygren said it's poor leadership, not the reforms, that are the issue. Back in 2014, during the Walker administration, a legislative committee approved an audit of the unemployment office because of similar issues, though not on a pandemic scale. Nygren said that if Republicans approved an audit in that situation, they'd likely approve one here, but he said that that would be months away.
Amy Reed reporting live from Madison. Amy, thank you.